So viewers, these are very unique, very stunning and very pretty and very classy button art and craft ideas for you guys. You guys use your old buttons into new and decorate them and decorate your homes with these button craft ideas. So guys, always take care, always be happy. These are very amazing, these are very unique, very latest and very unique and very pretty handmade button craft ideas. So guys, I'm glad to see you all guys. Hope so you all are doing well. So guys, keep supporting my channel, viewers, keep watching my videos. These are very beautiful, very amazing and very latest. And very beautiful button craft ideas, guys. Always think positive, guys. Always be positive. So I'm glad to see you all guys. Hope so you all are doing well. These are top trending and top unique button craft ideas. So guys, must try these at your homes. So I'm glad to see you all guys. Hope so guys enjoy.